Assalamu alaikum. Good morning everyone. I hope you all will be good. Alhamdulillah, I'm also fine. We'll discuss about Oman job change NOC. Finally, there is a good news that Oman going to end that NOC rule from January 2021, and all those people who want to change their job from one employer to another one, of course for good, they will be able to change their job, but there will be certain condition. NOC doesn't require, but there will be certain condition, like they have to finish their contract. I mean, if your contract with any employer company for 6 months, 1 year, 1.5 year, whatever the contract, you have to finish it, then you will be eligible to change your job. Otherwise you have to complete your visa. And even if you want to, in between your contract is going on and you get a good job, you want to switch it, you have to resign it. Then you have to officially whatever the requirement or what is mentioned on your contract with the employer, you have to complete that notice period. Then you will be eligible to change your job. And all those people who are already outside Oman, even they left now, or they will left on 31st of December, that doesn't require to stay 2 years. They can come in January 1st as well. So all those people who are outside Oman, they can come also immediately after once this rule will be imposed. So inshallah khair, there will be good news also, and I hope and we should hope that for good, that there will be no strict rule for the changing job. So let's see and wait. There will be more updates about it, and they hopefully Oman Manpower, ROP or any other authority who are dealing with it, they will announce latest information and the criteria and the procedure, how it will work. So inshallah khair, as soon as possible they share the news, we'll share that too. Stay blessed and do favor for us. Might be my English pronunciation was not that much good, but hope you will understand it, and soon will keep improving also. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share. Thanks. Jazakallah. Allah Hafiz.